Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'd like to do is show you how to simplify this expression when I have I raised to a higher power. Now, basically, the main important thing we need to understand is what, the repetitions of I equal to. And a lot of times we divide, I divide my 4 because that represents a repetition of I. But in this case, when I have an I raised to a lower power, I'm going to use my properties of exponents to help explain this. So basically, you guys know that x times x equals x squared. X times x equals x cubed. And basically what we're doing here is we are adding the powers. X to the 1 plus 1, that equals x to the 1 plus 1 plus 1. So when you are multiplying exponents, you add the powers as long as the base is the same. Well, here I have my base as I to the 13th. Now what I want to do, the most important exponent I have is I to the 4th, because we know I to the 4th is equal to 1. So really, it's kind of like, it's really just an extra repetition here. So I can do -2. Now, how many I to the 4th can I multiply by? So I have I to the 4th times I to the 4th times I to the 4th. Well, that gives me 4, 8, 12. So therefore, I have to multiply by I to the first power one more time, which is going to give me 13. Now, what's important is I to the first is 1 times 1 times 1. So I basically have -2 times I to the first power, which is just I. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you simplify using your imaginary numbers. Thanks.